In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix transaction error in TrustWallet. If your send or swap keeps failing or sits in pending forever, the most common culprit is not enough gas. Before you confirm, tap the transaction settings and raise the gas limit or fee so miners and validators pick it up faster. Networks get congested and low fees fall to the back of the line. A small bump above the suggested rate usually does the trick. Avoid going extreme unless the network is heavily busy. Next, make sure you hold the native coin of the network you're using because that coin pays the fee. On Ethereum, that's ETH. On BNB Smart Chain, it's BNB. On Polygon, it's Matic, and so on. Even if you're moving a token, the fee is charged in the chain's native asset. If your balance is near zero, top it up before retrying. If the error happens during a token swap, increase the slippage tolerance in the swap settings. Prices can move between quote and confirmation. A higher tolerance gives the trade room to execute. Start with a modest increase and only raise it further if needed because higher slippage means you may receive less due to price movement. It also helps to run the latest version of TrustWallet. Updates often patch bugs and improve network settings. Head to your app store and install any available update, then reopen the app and try again. Still seeing odd behavior? Clear the app cache in your phone's app settings. This removes temporary data that can cause glitches without affecting your funds or recovery phrase. After clearing cache, relaunch TrustWallet to refresh connections. Before you send, double check that both the token and the recipient address are on the correct network. A token on one chain won't move on another, and an address meant for a different network can cause the transaction to fail or be unrecoverable. Confirm the network at the top of the screen and verify the address format matches that chain. Finally, check the blockchain explorer from your transaction history. Tap the link to view status on chain. If it says pending, it's waiting for inclusion. If it failed with an out of gas or underpriced fee error, adjust your gas and submit again. If it's dropped, you can resubmit with higher priority. Follow these checks in order and you'll resolve most Trust Wallet transaction errors quickly.